Alright, we're back out in the shed. Had to put everything back in. Just like yesterday, the sun was shining. Like I was just out there an hour ago working on the zero turn, cleaning it and greasing it, and had to farm all out. Now it's raining again. Like this is just stupid. It's pouring rain here. Like it started out, it wasn't too bad, and then she just poured. Like it was pouring worse a little while ago. I couldn't even come out here. Yeah. Holy. What do you do? It's supposed to be nice tomorrow, and it's supposed to be nice all this week, but I didn't need this rain. Anyways, well, I had to put everything in, and I got everything in dry, so nothing got wet. But oh well, at least we had a half decent afternoon. I got a couple of videos in, so yeah. Well, till next time. Axe me and Dan. Hoping for sunshine. Later.